how can we innovate with technology, to automate with technology, to enable with technology the experiences that our employees and our customers expect and desire from us.
Right now, we cannot base everything we have today for the future, because right now we have something called narrow artificial intelligence, which is very weak. In the next maybe 7 to 10 years, we'll reach something called general artificial intelligence, which is the equivalency of a human brain. And then we go to super artificial intelligence, and that's where things started getting interesting, right?
The team, it's like just stand out. Like from a speaker perspective, you know, I speak at different conferences every week, and I got to say, like, just you guys, you're so on it. If something needs to be done, it'll get done. It'll get done like with the world's biggest smile. Like, I just think that the Adapt team is so phenomenal.
Today is so different that I do get to hear from the people I've spoken to, hear their insight, hear their angle, have their own personalised journey, kind of add context to what we're saying, because we can be wrong and we can have our minds changed and we can adapt and make new ideas, and it's only when you have that two-way communication is that ever possible.
And so my positive, hopeful view of the future is that we evolve into a version of ourselves that is more focused on creativity, compassion, love.
I would say it's like when humanity was inventing fire, or when we were inventing electricity. We're now inventing artificial intelligence.
Collaboration is a very personal thing. When you share with someone, you've got to have the confidence to share and the confidence to listen. So half the role of collaboration is confidence. The second half is connectedness. Who are you going to collaborate with? Are you collaborating with the right people? So collaboration is confidence and connectedness, and when you have both of those working together, you get the best outcomes.
I just think we have to think very differently about how we create this great employee experience where people can be really good at what they do regardless of how they're employed.
We are going to dissect each of these competencies into strategic research and advisory for all of you, and build tools and build proper use cases of how your peers are dealing with it, how the industry overall is dealing with it, and in that sense, help you to move along.
If 2020 is the year of the question, 2020 is the year of community. Organisations now realise that it's not about them. It's not about them and their customers, it's about them and their customers and their partners and the community and the world.
Been a fantastic event, really enjoyed working with you on this. I think it's the beginning of a bigger agenda that Australia's got to tackle, and I think the infotech sector, the digital part of our economy is really about to start to take shape and drive things, I think.